Hello guys, welcome to Blackhead Video. Today's topic is about this special website. Inside this site, you will find everything. Everything means everything. Example, coding, hacking. Then you find database. Then you find crypto. Then you find tools. Then you find guides. Okay. In short, this all kind of cyber knowledge and technology tips and methods. All is premium, bro. All is premium. So, example, just go to Visa Bean list, see full database, how carders get caught, carding tutorial, carding levels, CC making guide, why CCs are sold, checking CC balance, mobile carding, Japanese 3 days bypass, non-BBB bin, how to buy CCs, card cloning tutorial. That means everything, hacking, all hacking things, database, crypto, tools, guides. Okay, and if you need more method premium, just join our VIP membership. VIP membership 6-month access is just 999 USDT. So thank you everyone, and just visit my site. Site link is just go to my description and check the site link. Okay, I'll share the link in the description box. So thank you.